Setting axis labels for histogram pandas. I'm fairly new to this, so there might be a very obvious answer to this. My apologies. I'm plotting two histograms via a graph. I'd like my subplots to each have the same x and y labels and a common title. I understood that char x equals true would do the trick, but apparently not if I set the axis only after the df.hist. I've tried various versions of setting these labels and am lost now. So what I end up with is labels only for the subplot. Any idea on how to solve this? Have to use pandas/python.
Labels are properties of axis objects that needs to be set on each of them. Here's an example that worked for me.
I came here looking for the same thing, but found it easier to do in Plotly.
For those looking for a simple one-line solution in matplotlib, just tack on .set_label, _label to the end.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.